Hello, so again a video of the uniform app. Part 2, import texture UV. So I figured a few things out. Okay, here in Nomad Sculpt, at the moment let's test it with 512 resolution and bake the texture. So here is the texture. Fine. And now I test it with OBJ file and export the textures. Export, so I clear my folder here, so the whole test objects I don't need anymore. And export. Test 512. So, okay, now I start the uniform app. So here in the scene outliner, I delete this mesh here, delete. So now we have to import our mesh. First, texture paint mesh import. So here is test 512. So in the last video, I think I picked the MTL file. So now I tested with the OBJ file. Yeah, okay, it's there. Okay. So the next thing is here in the object inspector. You see here at the moment there's a texture set with 1024 by 1024, but our texture is 512 by 512. So I think we have to create a new texture set. So I think. So now you see here the resolution is 512 by 512. So when you double tap, you can enter here the value. So here 512, double tap, okay, and then confirm. So now the texture set is 512 by 512 pixel. So I hope now it works. So I press my inspectors and choose the layer stack. Then I add the layer generator import color texture layer. And now I select my sphere color PNG thing. And now it's there. Yoo-hoo! So you have to check here the texture set that it fits to the maps you import. So this is the jumping point. Yeah. Okay, that's it for this video. Yeah. Okay. Have fun with sculpting. Ciao.